Welcome everyone to the Assessment Strategies Workshop. What we have here is a Google site of all the amazing activities to make you better at working on and working with assessments. Let's give you a quick overview. Got it? All right, so when you come to the workshop, you'll see that there are a number of different modules set up on your screen. So over here to the left, you have assessment strategies along with a list, home, rubrics, why assess, the importance of feedback, etc. and so forth, all the way down to a culminating activity. You have the site overview here on the home page, and if you need help, email address and contact information on the bottom. So if you need help, if you're struggling in any way, shape, or form, that's what we're here for. So what we're asking you to do, start here at the very top and take a look at why you might assess students. Every single one of these little modules has an overview, something for you to read, interact with, or watch, a reflection for you to think about and submit, and then something for you to do, an artifact for you to upload and share. Every single one of those, as you work from why assess all the way down to culminating experience, gives you an opportunity to improve your assessment strategies. And if you need a certificate or a graduate credit option, those are available as well. So, hope you enjoy the assessment strategies workshop and you get a ton out of it, because if you do better assessments, you're going to increase learning